This is a solderless breadboard, and in this video, we're going to go over how it works. A solderless breadboard is used to make simple circuits without the need of soldering them. This allows you to quickly change your prototypes before you solder anything to a board. So let's go over how it works. In simple terms, there's a couple different sections, starting with the power rails that are blue and red on both sides. This allows you to transfer power along the whole breadboard easily. And then you have a median in the middle, which separates the two usable sections. Each section is broken up into rows A through E and F through J, and columns 1 through 65. If I open up the back, we can see how the pins are actually connected. This should make more sense. As you can see, the pins are all connected besides where the median is in the middle. So A through E is connected, as well as F through J. So if I put a pin in column 1, F and J, and I hook a meter up to it, we can see the continuity that it is connected. If I hook the pins up to column 1 and column 5, you can see that it's not connected. And if I cross the median and hook up between F, column 1, F, and D, you can see that it's not connected. Now let's build a simple circuit to put all the ideas together. For this circuit, I'm going to use a simple 9-volt battery, and I'm going to use the jumper wires to connect it to the positive and negative power rails. Also, if you would like to do this project yourself, I will have all the tools that I am using in this video down in the description. Then I'm going to take a resistor and hook it from the positive terminal into column 20. Next, I'm going to use a simple on-off switch and connect it from column 20 to column 19. LEDs have a polarity, meaning they can only be plugged in one direction. So the long leg is the positive connection and the short leg is negative. So I'm going to take the long leg and connect it into column 19, and the short leg I'm going to connect into the negative rail. Now if we power it up, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you liked this video, please subscribe and check out more on my channel. Thanks.